Hey, John here from Web Agents, making a video for you today about spam comments. So if you find on your website and specifically on your WordPress site, if you log in and you're finding you're getting a lot of these type of spammy comments, we've got 23 spam comments that have come in. There's a way to filter these comments. So you can't, by the way, you can't stop them coming in, because there's these people have these bots or this software. They just look for WordPress sites and they just try to spam, put their comments on. You can't stop that happening unless you want to disable comments. Like you can just you can go into your settings here, settings, discussion, and you can where are we? Comment moderation. Where is it? I'm sure there's not. It must be up the top here. Okay. Allow people to post comments on new articles. So if you untick that, basically, and you save that change, people won't be able to comment. But if you want people to comment, but you find you're getting a lot of spam comments, then what you want to do is you want to install a plugin. So let me go to plugins, and let's see if it's actually there already, and we need to activate it. But you want to install a plugin called Akismet. There it is. So I think by default WordPress installs that for you, and so you need to activate that. And if it's not there, just go ahead and click on add new up the top here and do a search for Akismet anti-spam and install that plugin. And when you have it installed, you click on activate. And we're going to alright, so we need to, once that's activated, we need to set up an Akismet account. So we'll click on that. Okay, let's see here. Here we go, get your API key. So we need to click on that. And alright, activate Akismet. Now I think at this point it checks to see if you've got a WordPress.com account. Now if you don't have one, you can go ahead and create an account. So I'm going to create one with my admin at webagents.com.au email. My username is going to be webagents North Lakes, and I'm going to use my password. Alright, I'm going to create my account. Okay, so we get asked how much you want to pay. Now you don't have to pay if you're setting up for a personal account and blogs. And the way you do that is you click on Get Personal, and you change this slider here. They've actually got a slider, so you decide how much you're going to pay or not going to pay. So I'm going to slide all this down to the free version, which is a non-commercial license, and it's going to ask us where we're using this. So let's say, so I'll put my site in here, and then it asks us for a few things here, like do we have ads on the site, do we sell products or services, and do we promote a business site. So obviously if you're going to use the free version, which I'm just going to do for the sake of this tutorial, those are the conditions. Alright, so the contact information, and we click on create personal subscription. All right, great. So that's all done, and we've got our Akismet API key. So we simply copy that, and if we come back to our site, we can paste our API key here. Click on Connect with API key. All right, great. That now we're protected. So if we scroll down here now, there's some options here. The options are silently discard the worst and most pervasive spam, so I never see it. Always put spam in the spam folder for review. Okay, so basically that's the two things. I recommend leaving the default setting there, which is always put spam in the spam folder for review. It's good because what it does is it automatically deletes spam after 15-day spam comments. But if you want to make you can go in anytime, make sure that it's actually doing its job properly. And I'll show you how we do that. If you go back to here under, where are we? Under, we get posts. Oh, here, sorry, comments. Here we go, comments. So if we go back to comments, and we've got this spam folder here. Now all the existing comments that already come in, these, by the way, would have been labeled as spam if Akismet had been running. I can make them spam. I can click on spam here and spam that one and that one, that one. So Akismet, it would have put all those into the spam. And let me click on spam. And there's those 4 that I just did now. So Akismet's going to put them in here, and again, you can come in here anytime just to check to make sure that it's not accidentally marking comments that you don't want to spam. And if it does, if you find for some reason it has done it, you can come in here and you can select not spam, and it'll go back into the normal pending, in the pending place. Where you and it learns, by the way, it learns what you consider spam, don't consider spam, so it's very intelligent. I find Akismet's fantastic. Very rarely, if at all, do I find that it'll tag something as spam that isn't spam. So it is a really good thing to have if you don't want to go through the hassle of labeling spammy comments as spam, and especially if you're getting a lot of this kind of spam comments, it can really save you a lot of time and headache. So and by the way, if you here in the pending, by the way, let's say you've got a comment that's not spam, obviously you click on approve to publish that comment. Alright, so yep, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you need help with any of your online marketing stuff, don't hesitate to give us a call. Come and visit our website, WebAgents website, webagents.com.au. Thanks again for watching.